In July 2018, a few of us rode through the Himalayas, a bucket list trip for any rider. Join us as we ride from Leh to Hundar in the Nubra Valley in this video from the Biker Crew UAE.
We left Leh at dawn's first light. The early morning chill was not the only thing that we were feeling. We could sense there was excitement in the air, because ahead of us lay the ascent up the Khardung Pass, 18,000 feet of Himalayan mountain, and we were gonna ride right over the top of it.
Morning folks, we're on the road to Khardung, currently at 16,000 feet, and this is what we can see.
Sunlight broke through the clouds at 16,000 feet. Khardung was just around the corner. As we rode higher, the air got thinner and a whole lot colder. But we got to the top, the highest motorable road in the world. Ladies and gentlemen, the Khardung Pass.
Morning everybody. Made it to the top. That's how high we are. And it is a beautiful day. Now you might wonder why the bikes are running, and that's just because at this altitude, if you turn them off, chances are they ain't gonna start again. Just give you a look. We still have glaciers. That's where we're heading. Alright, that's the rest of the team going down.
The descent was uneventful. Temperatures rose as the air got thicker. After the serious lack of oxygen up at the Khardung Pass, it almost felt like we could eat it with a spoon down here. Breakfast was had by the side of a crystal clear mountain stream and in the company of a few cows. This could well be biker heaven. Even though mile after mile of stunning scenery passed us, there was an almost constant stream of fellow bikers and on a multitude of machinery. The Nubra Valley was a sight to behold. A single road that stretched across the dry bed of the river, flanked on all sides by towering peaks. It seemed to stretch on into infinity. The views. I could never tire of the views, each more spectacular than the other. And as we rode to our night halt, we witnessed one of the most spectacular sunsets on this entire trip.
Next time we ride to Pangong So Lake. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. As always, ride safe and I'll see you on the road.